This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Michelle Nguyen. Welcome to this beautifully renovated Craftsman home in the heart of Saint Petersburg. Blending timeless characters with modern upgrades, this home features 2 bedrooms with open floor plan, warm architectural details, and a welcoming presence that feels instantly like home. Recent improvements include brand new hurricane impact windows installed in 2025, air conditioner replaced in 2020, and a roof in good standing, offering comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind for years to come. Campbell Park neighborhood offers a quiet, welcoming atmosphere while keeping you just minutes from everything that makes St. Petersburg special. The home is walking distance to Tropicana Field and Central Avenue, which is filled with restaurants, shopping, and nightlife. The nearby Campbell Park and Recreation Center add to the family-friendly appeal, while proximity to major hospitals and I-175 enhances convenience and rental demand. For families, this is an opportunity to own a charming, character-filled home while remain near St. Pete's best attractions. For investors, the strong neighborhood demand, steady appreciation trends, and central location create an attractive long-term hold opportunity with solid rental potential. No CDC. No HOA. No flood zone. Whether you're looking to settle into a warm and inviting Craftsman cottage or secure an investment asset in one of St. Pete's fastest growing corridors, this property delivers lifestyle, location, and lasting value. Schedule your private showing and experience the energy of St. Petersburg living firsthand. For more information, review the